Differences between vaccine in preventing COVID-19. Which vaccine is better? What is vaccine? A vaccine is a substance that is introduced into the body to prevent infection or to control disease due to a certain pathogen, a disease-causing organism such as a virus, bacteria, or parasite. Type of vaccines: inactivated vaccine, live attenuated vaccine, messenger RNA vaccine, subunit recombinant polysaccharide and conjugate vaccines, toxoid vaccines, and viral vector vaccines. Two main vaccines in Malaysia: Oxford Astrazeneca vaccine and Pfizer BioNTech vaccine.
Oxford Astrazeneca vaccine.
How does the vaccine work? Vaccine contains the dead virus shell called an adenovirus. So this adenovirus contains a small bit of genetic code from COVID-19 virus, which use the LT cells to make spike proteins that are needed to attach to LT cells. So the LT cells able to read COVID-19 genetic code that used in vaccine to produce the spike proteins and make antibodies and T cells to fight against COVID-19 virus. So it starts to build defense protein, which we call antibodies, to able to stop the spike proteins from sticking to more anti cells. Let's take a look into the effectiveness of Oxford Astrazeneca. AstraZeneca's interim trial data suggests that the vaccine is 80% effective at preventing COVID-19. The AstraZeneca vaccine that developed works by inducing both antibodies and T cells, and these two are very important in fighting infection. The first dose of COVID-19 found to be a high amount of antibody production, which means even after the second dose, the body going to have even more antibodies. It means if you have high amount of antibody production, you will be protected more longer against COVID-19.
Hello everyone, today I will explain about Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine. What are the ingredients in the Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine? The ingredients are mRNA, lipid, potassium chloride, monobasic, potassium phosphate, sodium chloride, dibasic sodium phosphate dehydrate, and sucrose. How does an mRNA vaccine work? mRNA delivered to your body cell by lipid nanoparticle instruct the cell to generate the spike protein found on the surface of the novel coronavirus that initiate infections, instructing cell to generate the spike protein spur on immune response, including generation of antibodies specific to the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein. mRNA vaccine do not contain any virus particle, meaning that they don't contain weakness or dead part of a virus or bacterium.
Signs of a severe allergic reaction can include difficulty breathing, swelling of your face and throat, a fast heartbeat, a bad rash all over your body, dizziness and weakness, fever, nausea, and muscle pain.
AstraZeneca versus Pfizer. AstraZeneca vaccine. The NCD-1222 vaccine against COVID-19 has an efficacy of 63.09% against symptomatic SARS-CoV-2 infection. Longer dose intervals within the 8 to 12 weeks range are associated with greater vaccine efficacy. Pfizer vaccine, 95% efficacy in preventing an infection in people with no prior infections.
Which vaccine is the best? The best vaccine is the one that offered the day you go in for your appointment, said Andrew Thomas, MD, Chief Clinical Officer of the Ohio State University Vaccine Medical Center. All of the vaccines are incredibly effective. They are all safe. But remember, vaccines are not a silver bullet. They must be combined with mask, hand washing, and social distancing to work as effectively as possible. For the CDC, no matter which COVID-19 vaccine becomes available to you first, you can feel confident in its ability to protect you as long as you continue being cautious. Until positive case, hospitalization and deaths are significantly reduced nationwide. Thank you.